Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu praised and glorified Allah and said, "No doubt, whoever worshipped Muhammad, then Muhammad is dead. But whoever worshipped Allah, then Allah is alive and shall never die." Then he recited Allah's statement, "O Muhammad, verily you will die, and they will also die." He also recited, "Muhammad is no more than an apostle, and indeed many apostles have passed away before him. If he dies or is killed, will you then turn back on your heels? And he who turns back on his heels, not the least harm will he do to Allah, and Allah will give reward to those who are grateful." The people wept loudly, and the Ansar were assembled with Saad bin Ubadah in the shed of Bani Saida. They said to the emigrants, "There should be one Amir from us and one from you." Then Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Umar bin al-Khattab, and Abu Baida bin al-Jarrah went to them. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu later on used to say, "By Allah, I intended only to say something that appealed to me, and I was afraid that Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu would not speak so well." Then Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu spoke, and his speech was very eloquent. He said in his statement, "We are the true rulers, and your Ansars are the ministers' advisors." Hubab bin al-Mundhir said, "No, by Allah, we won't accept this, but there must be a ruler from us and a ruler from you." Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, "No, we will be the rulers and you will be the ministers. For they, Quraysh, are the best family amongst the Arabs and of best origin. So you should elect either Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu or Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah as your ruler." Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said to Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, No, but we elect you, for you are our chief and the best amongst us, and the most beloved of all of us to Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu took Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu's hand and gave the pledge of allegiance, and the people too gave the pledge of allegiance to Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Someone said, "You have killed Saad bin Ubadah." Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, "Allah has killed him." Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 3668.